How to add or remove members to the contacts group on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Then tap on contacts. Next in contacts, I'm going to go back to the contacts list. Then tap on groups. So we go down and tap on groups. After that, open up the group that you want to change. So for example, my work group. Then in here, tap on the more button and then tap on edit group. Next, to add in more members, tap on add member. And from here, you can select the members that you want to add. So you can select one or multiple members and then tap on done. And that's it. After, you can tap on the save button. Now to remove members in the group, just go back into edit group and then tap on the remove button to remove a members or more than one members, and then tap on saved. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.